Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Chef Yuva here today, and today I'll be making chicken chop suey. So stay tuned for this lovely dish. Here I have all the vegetable I'll be using for the chicken chop suey and my plantain to boil. So I'll have plantain and my vegetable chicken chop suey. So here is my chicken breast, and it's 1.5 chicken breast I'll be using. So I'll just go ahead now, wash and season with some Maggi all-purpose and Maggi chicken seasoning, some garlic, and a little chili pepper, and that's it, and leave it to marinate until I'm finished cutting up all the vegetables. So I'm going to wash my chicken breast now with some vinegar. So here is my chicken breast already washed. So now I'm going to add the seasoning, Maggi all-purpose. Yeah, good seasoning. Yes, I'm just going to add some Maggi all-purpose. That's it. So Maggi, chicken seasoning. I'm not going to put any salt because these seasoning already have salt in it. A little bit of chili pepper. A little white pepper. That's it. So next I'm going to add my garlic. So it marinates with the garlic. So stay tuned. So now I grate a garlic. Me like to grate a garlic to put it on meat and such, I love to grate the garlic. Yeah. And put in there. So in this dish I'll be using 2 garlic in my 1.5 chicken breast. I'm reminded of the chicken breast. And chicken breast is good to use when you're making chicken chop suey because it have less fat. Yeah. So I finished grate my garlic. So scrape off everything with the pan. Scrape it all in. And back on feed. Alright, so here is the garlic. So I'm just going to use my hands and rub it all in. Yeah, man, so this will stay there and marinate and set. That's my chicken breast. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare up the vegetables. So first I'll be doing the broccoli so I can get it in the salt water because I have to wash my broccoli in salt water and do it properly. Yeah. So doing my broccoli now so I can put it in the salt water. So now that I've finished cutting the broccoli, I'm just adding some salt, and then I'm going to pour the water and leave it there. See? Salt in, so I'm going to put water now. So now I put the water on the broccoli with the salt, so I'm just going to leave it for last. let it stay there. So any insects, any microbes, because every vegetable like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, all those vegetables carries a little bug or worm. And it's always good to have worm on your vegetable, but you don't want to eat them, right? So we use salt water to get rid of those. Yes. If you have chlorine tablets to get rid of those, but today I'm using salt water. Alright? Okay, that is that. So now I'm going to cut my string bean and my carrot and all the other vegetables. So here goes. So now I'm going to cut my string beans. Put the string bean there, already washed. So let's put off the top and the bottom of them. I'm cutting away. Almost finished cutting my string. There, finish cutting the string beans. So now I'm going to peel and cut the carrots. So now I'm going to cut the carrots. Yeah. Carrot peel and wash already. I'm just going to go here and cut. This carrot, same size, try to cut all the same size, so everything gets at once, the cooking process. So carrot finished cutting, so now I'm going to peel and wash and cut my chocha. Yeah. To be that nice and pretty too. Yeah. Now I'm going to cut my chocha peel and wash. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the chocha. And guess what? I'll be having a guest today. Guess who is coming in Chef Yuba's kitchen today? Gracie. Spice. Yeah. Spice I dropped by. Yeah. So guess what? You have to watch the entire video. This is Spice. Yeah. If me tell her say come now, everybody are watching and stop. But Spice is coming over and she's gonna eat some of my chicken chop suey. So you have to watch the entire video and remember to leave your comment. Okay guys? Yeah man. Yeah man, yeah, cut up the chocho, yes so. Chocho don't cut up. Yeah. Chocho finish cut up over, yeah so. So now I'm going to do my sweet pepper, my capsicum and my jalapeno and my spring onion and my red onion. Okay, now I'm cutting my onion. So now the onion them too small. Onion finished cut. And now I'm gonna cut my capsicum, my spring onion, my jalapeno. Chin soon get festive now, no watch nothing. Yeah, Grace is soon come. So I cut the capsicum. Yeah, cut them up nice. Color them nice and pretty. Oi! Kitchen soon get festive. Yeah. Soon get festive. Yeah, I just want to take the time out to shout out to all my subscribers and the person who's been supporting me. Thank you guys, I do appreciate persons from different countries, all my Filipino friends, my Nepali friends, my Indian friends, and you know, my African friends, my Nigerian friends, guys, I appreciate Uganda, Africa, American, Canadian, yeah. Big up my Canadian friend, them don't know themselves, support me right through, right there, so everybody support me, yeah. But big up my Jamaican friend, them, right there, so. Big up on a nice clean self and no shrubs. Yes, I just want to big up all my supporters. Yes, thank you guys for supporting me. Yeah. My Filipino friends, thank you guys, appreciate you guys watch my video over and over. Thank you all my Indian friends. Yeah, even though sometimes they said, Chef, I don't understand what you're saying. I'm so sorry. My Indian friends, thank you for supporting me. My Indian friends, thank you so much for supporting me. Indian friends. Oh my. I thank all my friends for supporting me, you know, but I have to give special shout out to everybody. Trust me. Everybody been supporting me, everyone been supporting me. I thank you and I appreciate you guys so much, you know. I could not reach this far without you guys, so I thank you so much. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Kitchen soon get festive. Yeah, so I'm cutting my jalapenos now. Yeah. Do you want to cut the seed? I swear. So like this one. Yeah, the same thing. Same. Oh, I'm so sorry, my Pakistani friends. Everybody been supporting me. I don't want to miss out on anyone. So sorry, Mike. I have so much Pakistani friends who have been supporting me. Ghana, Uganda, my Korean friends. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate, guys. Appreciate so much. So here I'm blanching my broccoli. I blanched the other vegetables already. Here's my string bean already blanched, and I take it out and chop it with some cold water. Yes, so the cooking process stops. So blanch and nice. So here I'm blanching the broccoli. So I'm going to take it out now and chop it with some ice cold water because I want my broccoli to stay green and pretty. Here is it. It's my broccoli. Carrot already blanched. Chocho already blanched. So here I'm taking out the broccoli. This makes the cooking much easier for the vegetables, no long stirring, and you still have your vegetable crunchy. It's not a cooking process, it's not cooked, it's just blanched. Yeah. So this one finished. So now I'm going to go ahead, add the cold water, and this is ice water. So it stops the process of the cooking on the vegetable, and it keeps the vegetable nice and green, especially for the broccoli. Yeah, you want them to stay nice, fresh and green, and not yellow. So there it goes. So cooking process stop for the broccoli. So now I'm going to saute the chicken. Chicken already marinated. I'm going to saute. Chicken. Okay, so I put my wok to get hot. So the wok is here. So here I'm adding the olive oil. Not too much olive oil. And this one is extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. These together, so nice. Colors are so beautiful. Now I want to add some basil. I love using basil. And some, I'm adding a little oregano. Just a little bit. I like to use oregano. So, this. Wow. Now I'm adding some of the all-purpose, a little black pepper, a little chili pepper to the seasoning that I'm sauteing. See the color? Nice and vibrant. Beautiful. And now, the big show. I'll be adding everything. Broccoli, string beans, carrot, and chocho. So everything, all the vegetables get to saute and get some of this juice in the wok. So now I'm going to add the spring onions. And the chicken already sauteed, juicy and nice. And spread all that little sauce in. Get everything combined together. More in. Oh, this is so beautiful. And so I have some corn for this. So the chicken chop suey is ready. Wow. And all the vegetables still standing, still firm, and still crunchy. So that's my chicken chop suey. I'll just plate it and show you. Hey guys, so this is the finished dish for the chicken chop suey. So do remember to like, share and subscribe guys. And I served the chicken chop suey with some boiled plantain. Yeah, there goes my boiled plantain. Yes, thank you.